Ever struggled to make your PNG logo or design scale perfectly without losing quality? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to convert any PNG to an SVG in Canva. Fast, simple, and with clean results. So, what's a big deal about SVGs? Unlike PNGs, SVG files are vector-based. That means they stay sharp and clear no matter how much you resize them, perfect for logos, icons, or any professional design work. Let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new design. Any size will work. Then, upload your PNG file by clicking Upload on the left panel and selecting your image. Once it's uploaded, drag it onto your blank canvas. Now, here's the important part. Canva doesn't automatically make PNG vector-based, but with a Canva Pro account, you can export your design as an SVG file, which converts it into a scalable vector format. To do this, click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. Under the File Type dropdown, choose SVG. Make sure you've selected the correct element or page you want to export, and hit Download. In just a few seconds, your PNG is now an SVG, ready to scale, edit, and use anywhere without losing quality. And that's it. A quick and easy way to turn your PNG into a high-quality SVG using Canva. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to keep exploring more Canva tricks like this. Simple, fast, and super effective.